Hey, how's it going, everyone? The third challenge was to modify our program to accommodate an operator. So let's just see a sample of what that looks like. Our program asks us for a number, so I'll just say 5, another number 3, and then we get a prompt for an operator. And you see I have a few samples here, so we'll just say plus, and the program shows us 5 plus 3 is 8. If I run the code again, enter first number, enter second number, let's say multiply, and we get 4 times 6 equals 24. Let's see how this is done. So I have the solution from the previous challenge open here, and what we want to do is first prompt the user for an operator. So I'll just do that here. Let's say OP for operator equals input, enter an operator, and I'll just give an example of what that might look like. So enter an operator, that, and we can just put a colon here. Now these are not numbers, so I'll be leaving them as a string. And what we can do now is just use an if statement to check what our operator is, and based on the operator do our calculation. So I'll say if OP equals a plus, then we wanna sum, right? So sum equals add first num and second num, and then elif OP equals a minus, then we wanna subtract. Elif OP equals multiply, and finally for division. There we go. We also have to change the variable name to be the same, so I'll just do that. I'll use res for result, and res, and res, and then down here I'll just say first num operator, second num equals res. The reason I changed this to operator is because we don't know what it could be, so we just print out whatever the user entered. And the reason we needed to change all the variables to the same variable name was basically because we don't really know what the user will enter for the operator, so we can't really say which one of these we are going to be printing. So let's run our code and see the result. So we're going to enter first number, let's say 5, enter second number 3, operator, let's say plus, and we get 5 plus 3 is 8. I'll just run it again. First number 2, second number 3, let's say divide this time, and 2 divided by 3 equals that's, I guess, 2/3. Cool, so our code's working. The next challenge in this series is to make it so that the program keeps running until the user enters -1 for the operator. So if I run my script here, you can see it says enter an operator plus minus whatever or -1 to exit. I've also moved the operator to be the first thing that the program asks you for. So let's just enter plus, and it says enter first number 5, enter second number 3, and 5 plus 3 equals 8. Once again we get the prompt, so I'll just say divide this time 5 and 2, and we get 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, and we get the prompt again. If I type in -1, it says thanks for using my Albit calculator, and exits. So that's your next challenge. Give it a go and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.